Hey guys, Leanne here on GradysMom, back with a new week of what I cooked and ate for dinner. If you are new here to my channel, I do have an entire playlist of these types of videos from over the years. I'm actually starting off this video showing you some twice baked potatoes that I made. I actually lost the final clip of this this particular night because I did make a big batch, but we had some for dinner with some grilled chicken and asparagus, but I lost the actual clip of me showing the plate. I do have an actual video for how I make these down below. They freeze really well, so I did want to go ahead and share the footage with you. And now let's go ahead and see the rest of the meals and the food I cooked this week. Hey guys, so it's a Friday and I actually have off from work today, so I am taking advantage of this and I am getting things ready for my mother's birthday barbecue tomorrow. I've got about 3 pounds of chicken breast and I have 2 of these Baja citrus, so I'm actually have it in a pie dish. I just cut up all the chicken breast into pieces because I'm going to skewer them, but I want to really get this marinated, so I'm doing this today so it has a good like 24 hours to marinate. So I'm going to mix this really well and put it in a big gallon Ziploc freezer bag and just let this meat marinate for 24 hours. And then tomorrow it'll be all ready for me to skewer. So that's what I'm doing right now to prepare for dinner tomorrow. So the next day I grilled up the skewers that I made. It came out really good with that Baja marinade. We had the skewers on the grill. I also made some pasta salad and some baked beans. I do have a recipe link below for my pasta salad and it came out absolutely delicious. My family really loved it. Hey guys, I'm just getting dinner together. I thawed out some sausages. These were 2 large, like really long lengths, and I just cut them each into 4 smaller pieces. They roast better that way, and it's just better to see how much you're eating, if that makes sense. And then I'm sort of doing like a sausage and pepper roast, so I've got orange peppers, green peppers, a large onion, some tomatoes. I toss everything in this Better Body Foods avocado oil. Just really light, you want it just to be kind of glistening. And then the seasonings I added are the salt-free garlic and herb Mrs. Dash. I did add some pink salt because veggies need salt, especially when you're roasting. Some black pepper and then some crushed red pepper for a little bit of heat. And on the side, I'm gonna do this Carolina brand classic rice pilaf, and it's gonna be really easy. So I'll show you what everything looks like when it's done. Hey guys, the roasted sausage, peppers, and then the onions and tomatoes are all done. I just went a little bit heavier on my veggies and rice and gave Matt a little bit less veggies and a little bit more rice. So really easy. Everything pretty much cooked in that one dish except the rice, and we're gonna dig in. We'll see you guys tomorrow. It is grilling season again, so we have some chicken breasts. These are super thin, boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I marinated them this morning in the McCormick tomato basil marinade, and they marinated about 8 hours while we were at work. So I have a chicken breast here, some of the Rice-A-Roni brand. This is the chicken broccoli flavor rice pilaf, some steamer bag veggies with a little butter, and the Trader Joe's onion salt. And Matt has the same thing but heavier on the rice, an additional chicken breast, and I just went a little bit heavier on my veggies. But yeah, this is our dinner tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so on this night I just made some simple taco salads. Our friend Justin was over and I actually made extra meat because I was planning ahead to make some taco salads for us the next day. But this was our dinner tonight. So this next night I made breakfast for dinner, which I really love doing. I do my bacon in the oven, 400 degrees, and it takes about 10 minutes on each side. I flip it over halfway through. This was the Walmart brand Great Value bacon. I don't think I had ever tried it, but I ended up not being a huge fan. I actually really like the Hormel Black Label and the Oscar Mayer brands better. I also, with this, made some home fries, just some potatoes with seasonings and a little avocado oil. And I also had some blueberry pancake mix to use up, so I went ahead and made those as well. It was really good. Alright guys, so we had blueberry pancakes and then some bacon. This is a Walmart brand. I've never tried their bacon, I don't think. And then I just cut up 2 potatoes and pan fried them in a little bit of avocado oil, some salt, some pepper, Mrs. Dash, and then I did throw some onion in there. And I like my pancakes a little bit smaller, so I have 3 smaller blueberry pancakes and Matt has 3 larger ones. So yeah, really easy dinner tonight. We're gonna dig in, probably get a little ketchup for the home fries, and we'll see you tomorrow. The next night I made a quiche. This was a no meat night, so it is just a veggie and cheese quiche. I used a bunch of different veggies, some squash, zucchini, red onion, red pepper, and then I just put some sharp cheddar cheese and poured the egg and milk mixture over it. I just baked these for $3.75 for about 40 minutes or so. They come out perfect every time. They're great for leftovers for breakfast or lunch. I'll link some quiche video recipes I have down below in the description box if you want to see it. And by the way, if you hadn't noticed, this is turning into like 2 weeks worth of dinner clips. Hey guys, here is how the quiche came out. Again, we're having a no meat night, so it's just a roasted veggie quiche with some cheddar cheese and seasonings. And I'm just gonna let this cool. It takes about a good 20 minutes for it to cool so you can cut it and it doesn't fall apart. And I'm just gonna serve a slice of this with a simple salad, and it's perfect because we'll eat half tonight and the other half I'm gonna cut up and we'll bring for lunch tomorrow. So yeah, this is dinner tonight and we'll see you tomorrow. So this dinner was a Friday. I was making Mississippi chicken because I was home off work. So I threw this in the crock pot around noon since it takes about 5 hours or so. I've got boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I cut off any of the fat that I could, and I'm going to add in some ranch, some brown gravy mix, and then some banana peppers, which are nice and vinegary, and I actually have been adding capers lately, and the Walmart brand of the gravy mix and the ranch mix was just fine, so it came out really good. Hey guys, so this next night I have 2 packets of the McCormick Baja marinade. I'm mixing them up with the vinegar, the oil, and the water, and then I've got about 4 pounds of chicken wings that I am pouring it over. This is the day before because I like to do the marinade about 24 hours. So I layered the wings and then I went ahead and put the other half on top just so they all got a nice coating of the marinade, since I wanted them to really, really get the flavor soaked in. And then the next day, they were ready to go. They grilled up really nice. I highly recommend the McCormick Baja marinade. It's one of my favorites. Usually 1 packet is for about 2 pounds of meat. So since this was 4 pounds of wings, I used the 2 packets just to make sure it was nice and flavorful. And it really, really was. It was nice and crispy on the outside, but the meat was juicy and tender on the inside. And the next day, Matt grilled up the wings. I like the flat ones like this. And then I also made some pasta salad as well. This next night, I used the Walmart little frozen skillet potatoes, like home fried potatoes with peppers and onions, the Great Value brand. I sauteed them in a little bit of avocado oil, which I've been loving. And then I went ahead and added 4 eggs. I scrambled them really well and just poured them over the top. And then the key is lower the heat and stir, 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 because you'll get the little bits of egg running throughout, which is really good. I baked up some breakfast sausages. These are the maple flavored ones, and we had plenty of leftovers for breakfast in the morning. It was really good. Hey guys, so for dinner tonight, we took advantage of the grill and we have a dry rubbed pork loin that we threw on, and I'm using up some veggies from my produce drawer, some yellow squash, zucchini, and peppers in our grill pan. That works awesome. We just line it with aluminum foil. I cut up the veggies and tossed them in a little bit of EVOO, some Mrs. Dash, and salt and pepper. And we heated up the grill and threw on the grill pan and the loin, and it came out just phenomenal, so juicy and with a nice kind of crust on the outside edge. It was just delicious. So we each had some pork. I went heavy on my veggies as always, and a little bit of rice pilaf. This is the Carolina brand. It was really good. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing our dinner clips for the past couple weeks. Once again, the whole playlist of these is linked in the description box down below. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.